Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So some of you know that I had a 3 Series 2011, and the natural choice would be back in the day to move to the newer 3 Series, which is the 328, barely known as a 320 2.0 turbocharged. And in this video I'm going to explain why I did not end up going with this vehicle and I went with a different route. So as you can see over here, this body style came in the 2012 for the Canadian and American market. And this is the time when BMW started cutting costs all over. Now these cars came with the 2.0 turbocharged engines that had a lot of issues with the burning oil, but that's not the worst. The chains were slipping off, so the chain would go on these guys and they would just mess up the whole engine. Apart from that, all the leaks were still there. So the oil pan housing leak was always going to be there. That's going to be $1,000 to fix it. And then the oil pan at the bottom, the oil pan leak will also be there when these cars hit about 100K, give or take. That one is going to be about 2,000, even more the dealer. So again, another thing, speaking about the mechanicals, heater core issues. The heat issue did not improve, just like on my old Beamer, the heating issues were still there. So to fix the heating of these cars, it was quite a bit of money, to be quite honest with you. Now going further down, let's talk about the body. Now if you look over here, there's basically no clear coat over here. Now this is in fact curb rash, obviously, but this part of the rim would chip off at the same time. So a lot less clear coat on their rims. That's the one thing that I notice. Yeah. Now style is subjective. Some people may like it, some people may not. But as you can see, the seats, if you're getting these that don't have any support, your ass is gonna fly up right or left. So that's another thing. The seats on the previous model were a lot more better. That's basically what I noticed. If it's a 4-cylinder over there, this one is definitely 4. But if it's a 320, it will be only one exhaust tip. On the 320, on 320. On 328, it will be 2 tips. So they started being a little bit stiffy on that side. Apart from that, some people got lucky with this vehicle. I decided to skip this generation, and I think I did the right choice. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.